Hello everyone! In this video tutorial I'm gonna explain step by step how to download and install Trading Terminal, as well as the way how to connect it to the Exchange platform. First of all, you need to visit official website, which is moon-bot.com/English, and make sure that connection is secured. After that, go to Download tab, scroll down and click Download zip archive. After a zip file has been downloaded, extract it and then run exe file. At this stage you need to accept or decline agreement, as well as select your language. Then press OK. Okay, at this point, in order to proceed, we need to have API keys from Exchange platform. I need to say that this trading terminal supports two Exchange platforms. One is Bittrex and another is Binance. I'm gonna show you an example of Binance Exchange platform. Log in to your Binance account, and in order to proceed with creating API keys, you need to make sure that you have two-factor authentication enabled. It can be either SMS or Google authentication. In this video, I'm gonna proceed with Google. Then download and install app on your phone and proceed with following steps. Okay, on this page you'll get a QR code as well as the code itself, and make sure you save it in the safe place, because you might need it in order to recover or reset your account. So this is really important. Now what you need to do, you need to type this code into your Google Authenticator, or just simply take a picture of this QR code. Once that's done, click Next. Next again. So over here it's your login password, and then type the code that you got in your Google Authenticator. That's it. Right now you hear your two-level authentication enabled, so you can go ahead and proceed with API key settings. So click Enable. Create the label for this key. Let's say it's gonna be Moonbot. Then again, password from your Google Authenticator. Right now you're gonna receive the email with confirmation. Open up the email and then click Confirm Create. Okay, so at this point API key has been created. Make sure you save all this information in a safe place. Once you saved, what you need to do is copy these keys into the trading terminal settings. Over here select Binance. Click Apply and register API key. After registration of API key, you'll see that you get your unique trading terminal ID number, and as well you'll see that the version of terminal is limited to the free. More detailed about difference between free and pro version I'm gonna explain in next tutorial. Thank you for watching.